Hey everyone, today we're looking at the eufy X10 Pro Omni, a smart all-in-one robotic vacuum and mop. If you're tired of constantly vacuuming and mopping, this is the best value solution on the market, packing a powerful 8,000 suction power, intelligent AI cleaning, and hands-free maintenance, all under $1,000. Let's explore what makes this the ultimate cleaning partner. First up, this isn't just a vacuum. It's an all-in-one station for hands-free cleaning. With the X10 Pro Omni, your floors get the full treatment without lifting a finger. It automatically washes its mop pad using clean water, then dries with 113 Fahrenheit hot air to prevent odors and bacteria buildup. Plus, the 2.5-liter dust bag in the station can hold debris up to 2 months without cleaning it, making maintenance a breeze. Okay, so let's open up the package and let's see what comes inside here. Here's the vacuum, the AIC camera system right here. Here's the lasers to detect if there's any object in the way. Here's a cleaning brush. Here's the Mop Master 2.0 brush heads right here. This sucks up all the dirt and sweeps. These big wheels helps the vacuum go up higher objects. When you lift up the top, here's another dustbin that if you need to empty out manually, you just do that with here. Here's the back to charge it. So once it's ready, it will charge like so. And then it's ready to work once you plug it in. First up, let's talk about its multi-surface cleaning capabilities. Whether you've got hardwood floors, carpet, or tile, the X10 Pro Omni automatically adjusts to each surface, delivering powerful suction across the board. With 8,000 PA, it's more than capable of tackling dirt, dust, and pet hair, even those tricky spots. Now here's where it really stands out. The mopping function. This isn't your average vacuum mop. The X10 Pro Omni features advanced deep clean mopping technology that ensures floors get real clean. It's designed to release just the right amount of water for each surface and lifts the mop when it detects carpet. So you get spotless floors without any hassle. You can see how well this thing is mopping the floors. You can see the shine already coming on the floors. One thing I love is how intelligent this vacuum is. The X10 Pro Omni uses advanced obstacle detection to navigate seamlessly around furniture and objects. So it's not just cleaning, it's learning your home to ensure nothing is missed. And you can see how well this thing fits under the cabinets, and it cleans all the edges quickly and efficiently, and it deep cleans very nicely with the Master Mop 2.0. Maintenance couldn't be easier. The X10 Pro Omni not only returns to its dock to charge, but it also has an auto empty dustbin, making it super convenient for daily use. Just let it run and it will take care of the rest.
Charging.
This is how the app looks once you set it up with your Wi-Fi, and the X10 Pro Omni is connected via Wi-Fi to your app. So you have the option to do a full house daily clean, a full home deep clean, a post meal clean, and then you can even set up a customized mode. So once you press the enter button, you see how it already has a map of my first floor, and then it shows in the kitchen area the areas that it already passed with the white line here. And then with the blue icon, those are different objects that the X10 detected, so that way it moved out of the way. So at this moment right now, you can see where the base station is, and that is drying the Master Mop 2.0 brush heads right now. So it'll be ready for the next use. There's different options. You could set your rooms, which rooms that you wanted to clean, and then you can even set up a no clean zone area if you want to set that up. And then it shows your battery levels on top. If you go into settings, you're able to perform all these different settings here. The X10 Pro Omni also comes with iPath laser navigation and customizable AI map 3.0. This means it learns your home layout and create precise, efficient cleaning routes. You can set no-go zones or virtual boundaries, so the vacuum stays exactly where you want it. This level of control makes it easy to get a spotless clean without any surprise. So if you're looking for the best value multi-surface robotic vacuum with unbeatable suction and mopping for under $1,000, the eufy X10 Pro Omni is absolutely worth checking out. Don't just take my word for it. Head to the link in the description and you can see it for yourself.